Alright, here we are, the 28th of February, inspecting an out yard. First time I've done an actual deep dive and pull frames in this out yard. And listen to this. What does that tell you? Immediately it tells me, because all I did was took the lid off, pulled one frame, and they're buzzing like this. Immediately it tells me that this colony is queenless. It's going to be just a quick tip video. When you open the lid and you hear that, they're not aggressive. See? I mean, they're queenless, but you know me, I'm out here with nothing on. But yeah, they're queenless by that roar. It's something you need to be observant about. Be an observational beekeeper. We can pull a frame and look at it. I mean, there's no brood whatsoever. There's no eggs down in there. But they're just as peaceful as can be, even though they're roaring to let me know that one of these two donators, either this one or that one, I've been in those three. That one can donate, or this one can donate me a frame of eggs, young larvae. And that's how I'll rectify that, because this colony here already has drones. Drones walking around, none of them flew, so they're not flying yet, but by the time these make a queen, 20 days, 21 days for her to go out and get mated and get back, those drones will definitely be flying. Just a quick tip video. Thanks for watching.